Hi my lovely friends, welcome to the Boo Boo Beauty World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy face and body scrub for dull skin using avocado and sea salt at home. Alright, let's get started. First ingredient is 1/2 cup of coarse sea salt. Sea salt is a natural ingredient with several beneficial properties for skincare. Its coarse texture makes it an excellent natural exfoliant with its mineral-rich property, helping to balance the skin's moisture levels. It can also draw out toxins and impurities from the skin with its antibacterial property. It promotes anti-inflammatory, hydrating, and healing of the skin too. The next ingredient is 1 whole ripe avocado. Avocado is a powerhouse ingredient for skincare because it has many rich vitamins and minerals. It has healthy fats for moisturizing, and it also has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It promotes healing of the skin. It has anti-aging and sun protection properties as well. Next, you will mix it all up with a fork. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet. It would mean the world to me. Thank you. Keep mixing it until it turns into a smooth paste. Now you will add it into a clean jar for later use. It looks so good. Now you will store it in the fridge up to 3 months. Now let's scrub test. You don't need to wet your skin before scrubbing it on. Let's rinse it off. I would say it's soft, really soft. If you want another recipe for a face scrub using almond and honey for radiant skin, watch this video next. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Feel free to do so. That way you'd never miss my latest content. Wishing you an amazing day, and I can't wait to catch up with you in my next video. Bye!